We're at the Canon booth, fantastic booth. It's all VR, it's all TV studios, expanding the possibilities of creation for your business with Canon PTZ solutions. Very interactive.
I'm Matthew Koshi, Product Marketing Specialist for Canon Europe, and welcome to ISE 2023. So we've got lots of exciting things this year at ISE. I think the main focus for us is more focused around solutions and systems this year. So specifically, we've got a system about education this year and how our cameras and software can help solve a real issue with regards to hybrid learning at the moment, because that's a big pain point of universities, figuring out how to deliver lectures that are not just fully remote and not just fully face-to-face, but also how they can capture this content without kind of any issues with teachers not being trained in technical equipment. So last week we actually announced our own auto tracking technology, and we've got this set up here at ISE. So we've got our CRN 700 PTZ camera, which is built in with 1-inch sensor, 15 times optical zoom, which you can even stretch to 30 times in full HD, and also has the auto tracking application built in as well. So this auto tracking application, as you can see on the screen, is essentially looking for somebody in a priority area, and once it identifies somebody, it will track them completely. You can adjust a variety of settings like their display size, the tracking sensitivity, so depending on how quick or slow the subject's walking, you can adjust all those kind of settings, and depending on the kind of shot I want, I can make the display size or the composition of themselves either very close up or quite a long shot as well. This is mainly focused at education, but we can see lots of use cases for this. Corporate, houses of worship, live events would really benefit from this, but also considering this is our flagship PTZ camera, the broadcast industry could also potentially benefit from this solution as well. The good thing about this is we have our proprietary dual pixel CMOS autofocus, which is similar technology you'll find in some of our Cinema EOS cameras and some of our X series camcorders. So that quick and accurate autofocus really helps the tracking. So when you are having quick movements or even slow movements, you can ensure that whatever you want to capture is still really quickly in focus. VR has been a big focus for us at ISE for, well, over a year now. We debuted it first in 2022 last year, but what we wanted to show is a whole system. Again, we're going for a very system-based approach. So we have a dual fisheye lens and 8K cinema cameras, so we have the capability to capture this content in VR, and we can capture it in very high quality. We've got cameras like the R5 and the R5C, which is capable of 8K recording, and we've got our dual fisheye lens, which can help create that VR experience. But this year at ISE, what we did, we partnered up with Lenovo and Vario, who have provided us with a PC and a headset respectively, and essentially we're able to complete the full workflow. So we're not just talking about content acquisition, we're talking about once you've created this content in VR, how can you actually process it and display it. So this is what we're showing here at ISE as well.
I really like the new software. No, I think that's going to be big in education for us. The fact that even when you're doing live events, it's taking away the operator that you can actually use it. Yeah. When is that on the market? When's that going to be available?
So we've announced it. We're expecting that to be available at the end of Q1 on the CRN 700, roughly that time. End of Q1 / beginning of April, roughly that time. We'll see it available in the market.
Thank you so much for joining us.
No worries. Thanks a lot. I appreciate it.